you can sense the audience when they become involved with what you are doing, and that inspires you to a higher level. Tears forming in their eyes, moved by the passion. It's hard to explain, but it's a very, what it is, a spiritual feeling of connectedness and of working together. Ko te Ātiawa, Ngāti Kahungunu, Ngāi Tahu, Ngā iwi, ko pilne taku ingoa.
Ko te Whakatōhea, te iwi, ko Donas aho.
We've spent a long time with Ngāti Pōneke, and it has meant so much to us, also added to by ones like Kingi Ihaka whilst he was here.
And he took us around the world.
He certainly did. And it's very moving that we should be recipients of an award named after him, because we know, as do many, of the wonderful works that he did and the inspiration he was to many people.
I've been in the camp for quite some time. Then I became leader, tutor, you name it, I wasn't. And it's been a passion of mine. And I still do it today, doing kabahaka.
The passion that it inspires within those exponents, and this is a positive influence upon their life, and to those that follow us, that they might be inspired by the same importance and the meaning that it has to them.